Hi guys, it's Alexis and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep watching my videos, and follow me on Instagram at itsbyalexis and check out my blog itsbyalexis.com. I'm so excited. I finally decided to create a YouTube channel. It's going to cover everything from fashion to food places to New York City, any tips and tricks that I have, just kind of vlogging my life, give you the inside scoop on all things Alexis. So this is my first video. It's a vlog. It's my day at the beach, and I'm gonna do a getting to know me Q&A, and I'm gonna be posting that soon, so look forward to that. Let's keep watching. Hi guys, happy 4th of July. Today's Wednesday, and at Wednesdays, at the beach, all these vendors come. You can go shopping, so I'm gonna do some shopping. Bathing suit is from Revolve. I'm not sure what the brand is. And my shorts are American Eagle. This little ice cream stand is actually my entire childhood. So brutally hot outside. I'm gonna go down to the beach, see if I can get a little tan and get some lunch and chill. Just ran into the water and got soaked, but I just put my feet in. I wasn't expecting to be hit by a wave. So I just went swimming in the ocean, and it was so nice, and the water was so calm and clear, and usually in Long Island the water is really gross and not cute. You don't really want to swim in it, but today it was literally being in the Bahamas, and it was so nice. Now my hair's soaked and all messy. Just casually made my towel as a skirt. Hi vlog, we are back on the beach. I just took some pictures of my sister. It's kind of cloudy, but we're enjoying the weather.
Hello everyone, you guys have not met me yet. I am Carly, I'm Lexi's sister.
My beautiful sister.
Okay, so we're currently on the beach, 4th of July.
We're walking.
If you can see, we're a little spirited, some red and white going on.
Yeah, I'm trying to be spirited. I think I'm nailing it right now. It was a very successful beach day. Now we are walking back up to go get changed and head back home to watch the fireworks. So I'm chilling on my there's a helicopter. Fireworks are about to start. I already see them going on right now in the back from
And a lot of the older,
all across the city.
A lot of the
Yeah, it's supposed to be pretty dope. Oh, they started!